Carpino live in Atlanta. Hi, Madison.
Hi, Martha. This is really just a terrifying story for millions of American commuters. So the suspect is now facing that federal charge on top of the state murder charge. But the suspect's own mother told reporters that she did not believe her son should be out in the community, citing some serious mental health problems. We're talking about career criminal 34-year-old DeCarlos Brown, and he has a lengthy rap sheet that goes back more than a decade. His past convictions include breaking and entering, robbery with a dangerous weapon, and most recently, he was released on cashless bail for misusing the 911 system, despite being arrested more than a dozen times before.
Mecklenburg County, which is where Charlotte is, was in the forefront of bail reform, which leads to more cashless bail, which is the last thing that he was out on. There were very clear indications that he was dangerous. His mother tried to have him involuntarily committed. There are many parts here where, like, this guy, it was very clear, should not have been in the streets.
And this all coming to light as the surveillance video of the August murder is going viral. You can see 23-year-old Irina Zarutska walking onto the train after work, still in uniform. She sits down in front of Brown, who's wearing that red hoodie. And Zarutska is just looking at her phone when Brown eventually pulls out a knife and stabs her to death. So people who live in Charlotte are really on edge.
A story like that. I mean, it's concerning just because that's something you don't really expect to happen around here.
Brown is currently being held without bond, and he is set to appear in court again in 10 days. But again, just minutes from now, expecting to hear from the DOJ. Martha.
Yeah, we will bring that live to everyone. Madison, thank you very much.
Hey, Sean Hannity here. Hey, click here to subscribe to Fox News YouTube page and catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis. You will not get it anywhere else.